How to get NordVPN free trial. NordVPN offers a 7-day free trial for mobile users and a 30-day money-back guarantee for all platforms, allowing you to test its features risk-free. Here's how you can access the free trial. Overview. The 7-day free trial is available exclusively for new users on mobile devices, while the 30-day money-back guarantee applies to all subscriptions. Step 1. Download the NordVPN app. Visit your device's App Store, Google Play Store for Android, or Apple App Store for iOS. Search for and download the NordVPN app. Step 2. Create a NordVPN account. Open the NordVPN app after installation. Click Sign Up and enter your email address and a secure password. Confirm your email address if required. Step 3. Activate the 7-day free trial. Mobile only. Log in to the NordVPN app with your new account. Tap on Start Free Trial when prompted. Add payment details, credit debit card, or PayPal. You won't be charged during the 7-day trial as long as you cancel before it ends. Step 4. Download NordVPN on other devices. Optional. Use the same account to log in on desktop or other devices during the trial. Visit www.nordvpn.com/download to download NordVPN for Windows, macOS, or other platforms. Step 5. Explore NordVPN features. Connect to servers worldwide to browse privately and securely. Access geo-restricted content. Use advanced features like double VPN or MeshNet. Test NordVPN speed and ease of use during the trial. Step 6. Cancel before the trial ends if needed. Open the NordVPN app and navigate to Account Settings. Locate the Subscription section and select Cancel Subscription. Ensure cancellation before the 7-day period ends to avoid charges. By following these steps, you can try NordVPN's premium features and decide if it meets your needs.